It is 6:19. It is free legal advice day. First one of the new year. Attorney Dave Betras is hanging out with us, answering your legal questions free of charge. So get them in on Facebook, send us an email, call in live. Right now, number will be down at the bottom of your screen if you missed it just a second ago. By the way, Happy New Year. Good to see you.
Happy New Year. Well, I was here on Friday. Someone was sick with their Mucinex.
Someone was a little under the weather. And still is if you hear my voice, so my apologies. You ready to do this?
I'm ready to do
All
it.
Right. We already have some teed up. This one's from Facebook. It says their mom is on Medicare/Medicaid. No estate, no property owned. She's in assisted living. They have to surrender her Social Security check every month except for the allowable spending amount. The question that they have is who pays the bills after she eventually passes away, because she really has nothing in terms of money.
Well, no one pays the bill. She's Medicaid eligible.
Okay.
So they need to fill out an application with Ohio Jobs and Family Services, and they will pick up the expense of the nursing home.
Okay.
Okay. But they need to get on that Medicaid eligibility.
Okay.
That's what they need to do.
All right. So even after she passes away, then they handle all of the outstanding bills from that care?
Yes.
Okay.
What they can do, if she has any assets, is prepay her funeral, mercy meal, things of that sort.
Okay. This one came from email, a little bit of a longer one. This says their child went to the Art Institute in Pittsburgh back in 2007 to 2009. It was costly, so they had a loan. It ran out faster than they anticipated. They had to get a bigger loan as a result. Then it came to pass that there was fraudulent activity at the school, and they shut the whole school down. And now they're still, years later, being stuck paying quite a bit on a loan where they really didn't get anything out of it. Is there anything that they can do in a special circumstance like that?
Well, what a tough question for a caller to face, because that's a lot of money. So I'm assuming there was no government intervention or government action against the school. They did this a lot with some of these other technical college. People would borrow money and then the technical college shut down. So if there's no action against the technical college, there's really not much they can do. I mean, unfortunately, it's like if you buy a car and you didn't have insurance and someone steals your car, you still owe the bank that money. So you got to think of it as two separate, distinct contracts. Your contract with the school and your contract with the bank. Your contract with the bank, for the most part, there could be some circumstances in which it's intertwined, but assuming it isn't, you're still stuck with that loan.
All right. Unfortunate news and an unfortunate situation to live through.
That's correct.
We have a caller on the line. Caller, go ahead with your question for Attorney Betras. Caller, are you there?
Caller going once.
Hello.
Hi.
There we go.
There we go. How are you?
Yes.
Where are you calling me from? Hello? Okay.
All right. Well, we had a caller.
We had a caller on the phone. We got a hello. I don't know if there's a question in a hello.
So there's a lot hidden, maybe a hidden message in there that we just didn't pick up on.
Right.
All right, but either way, he'll be back for round two here coming up in a little bit, and he'll be answering questions in between. If you want to call in, there's the number 744-8821. Give him a call in between, and he'll be back here in about 17 minutes or so. Sound good?
Keep me busy, please, because the weather woman, she does not want me talking to her that much, to be quite honest with you.
Well, now let's hear from the weather woman, as you call her. Meteorologist Jody White is her official name.
I wanted to give her like an official title.
All right, well, we'll catch up with her in just a bit.